Hey everyone, welcome back. If you need to completely wipe Visual Studio Code from your Windows 11 PC, just hitting uninstall in your settings actually leaves a bunch of hidden files behind. Today, I'm showing you the exact steps to remove every single trace of it. Let's get right to it. First, we need to run the core uninstaller. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open up your Run dialog box. In that Run box, you're going to type a specific path. Type %, then local AppData, all one word, another %, \programs, \Microsoft vscode, and hit enter. Look through that folder for a file named unist000.exe. Double-click that and press yes on the pop-up to run the standard uninstall. Now we have to clear out your hidden settings in cache. Open up that Run box one more time. This time, type %AppData, all one word, another %, and hit enter. Scroll down until you see a folder simply named Code. Go ahead and delete that entire folder to clear your saved configurations. Alright, the very last step is removing your leftover extensions. Open up your File Explorer, navigate to your main C drive, open the Users folder, and select your personal user profile. You're looking for a folder called .vscode. Select it, hit delete, and you're completely done. And that is it. Visual Studio Code is 100% removed from your system. If this quick cleanup guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below letting me know what code editor you're switching to next, and I will catch you in the next one.